Not sure if you heard about Stephanie Lamour's forgiveness exercise. Imagine you being light. You feel unbothered. You're not holding any weight. That's what this exercise does for you. Ever since I've done it, I forgave myself for things that I didn't even know that I need to forgive myself on. And the reason why is because I was holding on hope that someone else was going to apologize, and then that would be closure for me. But through this exercise, I got closure for myself, for my own self and my actions, and forgiving myself. I forgave others. I even forgave God. Like my husband and I, our relationship is better for it. The kids' relationship is better for it. My relationship with myself is better for it. I stopped beating myself up. I definitely think that you guys should do it. I definitely think that you should try it. Especially if you're holding on to some type of trauma in your life. This is something that you need to do.